Hey guys, my name is Marlo with Vegas Mini Mansion. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to install the cabin air filters in your BMW. Even if you're not installing inside of a BMW, my video will still help you and give you tips on how to get rid of that bad odor inside your AC vents. We're gonna kill the bacteria in the AC vents. Make sure you use a carbon activated cabin filter to get rid of those odors as well. For BMW users, make sure you use a German-made cabin air filter. Also, we're going to talk about the obstacles on how to get to your cabin air filter. So some BMWs, SUVs have those twist knobs, some do not. My vehicle does not. So there are 8 screws that you must remove to get to your cabin air filters. And we're going to discuss on how to get the arrow just right inside of your vehicle. There's an arrow and nobody knows on which way it should face inside your vehicle. So I have proof written on a piece of paper and I'm going to show you on how this should be installed. So there's 2 of them actually. So back again, there's 8 screws, and even when you get down inside there, there's still an obstacle. You want to accomplish this, guys, because it's an arm and a leg just to get this switched out at the dealership. And you must know how to get underneath there one day, because that's where all your fuses are. So it's good to know just on how to get underneath there one day. So we're gonna get started with this installation. Hopefully I was able to help you out. Please give it a like if I was able to help you guys out. I'm new to YouTube, guys, so let's go with this installation. All right, guys, I got my fresh air cabin filters here. Carbon filters. So it's always a toss-up on which way the arrow should go. So here's the instructions: airflow going towards you. So when you're inside the vehicle, as you can see, the arrows are going towards the vehicle, inside the vehicle. So you see this question all over the internet. So it comes with instructions. So you can't beat that, guys. There you go. Alright guys, so I got a 5 Series M Sport BMW. So most air cabins are going to be right under the glove box here. So we only have 4 screws to begin with, and they're right underneath here. And we're going to use a Torx. And the sizes are, let me show you. We've got a T15. And also a T25. So different BMWs may use different sizes, but for the most part you're going to be 225 and T15. So let's get started. So guys, I have my flashlight on the areas to where I have to undo 2 screws. So right here is the T25, and I already released that one. It's right here, one, and there's another one for the T15. It's right here. So you gotta have a flashlight. It's very dark. So you just unscrew it, just like that. Very easy. And then there's 2 screws on the other side, so we'll do the 2 screws there. Alright guys, so I'm on the left hand side of the glove box, and I got my flashlight in my hand. I'm just loosening it just like that. It's that simple. So I'm going to release the other screw and then take it down. Alright guys, so I took out 2 screws on this side, 2 screws on this side. Now it's time to take it down. So you just bring it down, and this may be in the way here off to the left. You just kind of maneuver it out of the way. Just as so. Alright, next step. Alright guys, so I have the panel down. If you want, you can disconnect this wire from here just so you have more leverage. And what's good to know, this is where all your fuses are as well. So as you look underneath here, see all the fuses. So this is a good idea to know where your fuses are. But yeah, this is where the cabin filter is. So we're going to use a T10 for the screws. For the screws that are underneath here. All right, guys, listen up. This is very important. So there's four screws total to release this. 2 in the front and then 2 on each side. So a total of 4. But BMW, a little sneaky. See this gray tube right here? This gray tube right here, and it connects to the cabin. Well, right behind the tube is the screw. So remember that. And it's literally right behind the tube. So I'll have to loosen that screw, and it's real tricky, but it's, as long as you know where it is, it's hidden right behind that tube there. It's that sneaky, guys. All right, guys, so I've undone those 4 screws, and I'm just gonna release it down just like that. So the filters are right here. I'm gonna bring them down. I'll show you the old ones. There's 2 of them in here, so you just take them down just like that. 1 and then 2. So we're gonna replace them. That's it, guys. It was only a total of what, 8 screws to get to these air cabin filters. Alright, guys, so we got our new filters. We're going to put them in. And remember, the arrows go towards you, towards the inside of the vehicle, just as I promised I was going to tell you. And also, do not go, because I'm going to tell you exactly on how to get rid of that smell in your vehicle. So don't go. So after we install this, we're going to kill that smell. You just put it in that slot in there, and it just goes right up in there just like that. And there's one more little slot right here for the second one. So arrow is pointing there. Right here, little slot. Sorry guys, I'm trying to do this with one hand for you guys. Boom, just like that. Said and done. Alright guys, I'm going to tell you to get rid of that bacteria smell from your AC vents, guys. So here we go. You go in reverse order. You know exactly where the screws were. So you go in reverse order to put everything together. So let's kill that smell. Alright guys. We got rid of the pollutants. We're going to get rid of all those headaches. That bad smell. But there's also some bacteria lingering in the AC vents. Alright guys, so I'm putting this panel back up inside. So don't forget there's these 2 little slots here, 1 and 2. And you put them in these little spots right here. Right here, these little... Right here, I can't... right here. You put this little thing here. And you seat it up in here. And that's how you click it back in. Alright guys, over time a vehicle will collect bacteria inside those AC vents, so that will cause also bad odor as well. This is not a replacement from the cabin air filters. Cabin air filters protect you from, you know, all the pollutants outside, right? And this is just to kill the bacteria inside your AC vents. You're going to use Lysol. I like to use a scented one, but you can use whatever you like. And you got to get in there and spray all the AC vents, guys. Get in there, and that's going to kill all the bacteria, which is causing extra odor to your vehicle, and you'll be able to get back to your vehicle smelling better, guys. So that's the hack that I've got for you guys. Make sure you get every single vent, guys, every single one.